Welcome to this complete guide on how to insert and style image in Microsoft Word. Whether you are designing a flyer, preparing a report, or enhancing a document visually, this step-by-step tutorial will walk you through everything you need for basic image insertion to advanced formatting. Let's begin by launching Microsoft Word. For this tutorial, we will be using a ready-made document titled Aqua Jumba Flare. Our goal is to insert an image just before the heading, "What is Aqua Jumba?" Let's walk through the process together. First, click on the Insert tab located on the ribbon at the top of your screen. Then select Picture. Then select pre-downloaded image related to Aqua Jumba from desktop. Once inserted, the image will appear where your cursor was placed. Now that the image is inserted, let's make sure it fits properly. To resize, click on the image. You will notice small handles appear around the edge. Drag the corner handles inward or outward to scale proportionally. Avoid side handles. These may distort the image. To move the image, hover your cursor over it until it changes to a four-headed arrow. Then, simply drag the image to your preferred location. To control how the image interacts with the text, use the Wrap Text option. Click the image, select Wrap Text from the floating toolbar or the Picture Format tab. Choose from styles like square, text flow around the image, tight, text hug the image closely, behind text or in front of text for overlay option. Let's enhance the image with some visual styling. To add a shadow, click on the image, then open the Picture Format tab. Click on Picture Effect and choose Shadow. You can apply outer shadow for depth, inner shadow for framed contrast, perspective shadow to create a 3D floor effect. To add a border, click on Picture Border in the same ribbon. Choose a color, then adjust the weight of border thickness, dashes for solid dash or dotted lines. To help separate your image from the text and adds a professional touch. Sometimes you may only want to display part of the image. To crop, click the image, go to Picture Format tab and click Crop. Use the black crop handle to trim edge. Once done, press Enter or click outside the image. You can also crop the shape. Select Crop, Crop to Shape. Pick a shape such as a circle, star, or arrow. Adjust size and positioning as needed. This technique is especially useful for decorative layout or profile photos. Let's explore how to give your image a creative flair. Click the image and open the Picture Format tab. Then select Artistic Effect. You will find options such as Marker, Pencil Grayscale, Pencil Sketch, Line Drawing, etc. Hover over each effect to preview it instantly. Click to apply your desired effect. Once everything looks perfect, it's time to save your work. Press Ctrl plus S or click File, Save As. Choose the format that suits your needs. Doc for editing, PDF for sharing or printing, web page if you are exporting to the web. And that's it. You have now learned how to insert and professionally stylish image in Microsoft Word. From layout control to visual effect, this tool gives you full creative power over your document's appearance. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.